Discuss about the private member functions in C++. What is private member functions? Private member function in C++. So how to use the private member function in C++? Okay. So when we declare the any member function in private specifier, that particular member function is known as what? Private member functions. So I'll show you some examples. So private member functions only can be accessible by the public member functions. So private member function is accessible by private member function is called by only public member function, but not by the object. Okay, so we'll see some example. It will be more clear. Okay, the example is something like that. We have a class. The class name is something called a student. We have a class. Okay. So just I am going to declare this is my private specifier. Okay. If you are not writing any, so this is a default display. Suppose if you are not writing any, then it is treating as a what? Int a, int b. So this is also treating as a what? Private specifier. So if you want to give the specifier like manually you have to give, so we can give also. Okay. Otherwise it will be by default it is a private specifier. So just I am declaring any two variables int a comma b. Okay. And then I am going to declare private member function like void info. Okay, so this member function is treating as a private because this is under private specifier. Okay, so just I am writing here just informations. See out, this is private specifier, private member function. So this is private member function. This is private member function. Okay. So if you want to give any public member function, then you have to define the what specifier. So public means if I am defining any member functions like void input. Okay. And just I'm going to write C out, enter the value of A and B. Enter the value of A and B. Okay, then scene A and B. So if you want to perform the addition of these two numbers, we can perform by this, and then we can print these ones. Okay, then we have to close this one and close this bracket. So when the private member function is called, so private member function is called by only public member function. So we can call the private member function into the public member function, but not by the object. So here we can call, what is the name of the private member function? Info. Then I can call here info. So it is going to display the whatever the content is there. It is going to display that one. So here I am just writing the main function and creating the object of the class is student st. So st dot info. If you are going to write st dot info, so it is going to throw the error. That's why. So it is going to throw the error. So this is not accessible by the object. That's why we are going to remove this line. Okay. So we can only call the what? Public member function. So st dot, we have a input member function is a method in public. Just we are calling this member functions and then returning the default values. Okay. So in this way we can use the concepts of private member functions. Okay. So private member function can be called by only the public member function, not by the object. So this is one clear example in C++. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is SNS and please give your comment also. Thank you.